Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at my first ever cordless chainsaw. I've never had a cordless one before. I do have a corded one that my dad bought back in like the mid 80s, and it still works today, and it works good. And because of that saw, I decided I wanted to go with the cordless to see how good this one could be too. And all this wood that is sitting here behind me, this saw cut it up, and I've used it, cut up the whole tree. My first impressions were it's a good saw. It's 40 volts. It has a brushless motor in it. If you know anything about electric motors, a brushless motor is the best motor you could put in anything. I did a lot of RC stuff back in the day. Anything with a brushless motor, they never wore out. The motor in this thing will never wear out. You'll wear batteries out, bars out, chains out before the motor in this thing will ever go out. And I mean, that's one of the reasons I bought this. And I got it for a couple $100 on Amazon. You know, they're a little more money than a 16-inch gas one. And I hate gas chainsaws after using electric. They're just a pain in the ass. And if you've ever cut with gas saws at all, you know that too. Like I said, the only reason I bought this one is because I had the corded electric, and it cut so well that I decided I'm going to get a cordless and bypass all this bullshit. So this is it. We'll pull the battery out. That's the battery. Goes right down in the top. Comes with the charger. Comes with the chain guard. Comes with the chain guard. Slip it on over this, you know how it works. And it comes with the chainsaw cozy. You can put your chainsaw in the cozy. Has a grab handle. Just pack it around. Put it in the back of your truck. Doesn't cut up your carpet or anything. You're good to go. Comes with the destruction manual and everything. So you put your chain bar oil in here. Still uses chain bar oil. Has to lubricate the chain. There's a power button and a light, and that's it. Let's cut a wood. We're going to go ahead and cut this one right here. I would have cut better if I had my foot on it to begin with, but you get the idea. So, if you're looking for a decent chainsaw, a couple $100, you can get something like this. One good thing about this, the Greenworks, is it comes with a whole line of other tools. Weed whackers, blowers, even lawnmowers, smaller chainsaws, all in the G-Max 40 volt. Next thing I'm going to get is a weed whacker, because I hate gas weed whackers. They suck. They vibrate. They get the gas comes out of them, get you all dirty. I mean, you got to mix the gas for them. They're a pain in the butt. So I'm gonna get that next. Just the weed whackers, like 50 or 60 bucks, and you can get those, you know, Amazon or any tool store or whatever. But that's pretty much it for this one. If you want to have a look at the chainsaw, I'll put a link in the description down below. So take care.